Welcome to Nantong Dongqing Machinery Co., Ltd. We specialize in providing high-quality food equipment for the global catering industry and are committed to providing the best solutions for wholesalers, retailers, restaurants, small stores, and hotels. With more than 20 years of experience in the industry, Dongqing Machinery's factory covers an area of more than 15,000 square meters and has advanced production equipment and technical teams to ensure that each machine is subject to strict quality control. Our production lines are spread across multiple workshops, using internationally leading manufacturing technology to ensure that every link of each machine from design, production to testing meets high standards. We know that details determine quality. Each component undergoes rigorous testing and screening to ensure the stability and efficiency of the equipment. With its rigorous management system and high-quality products, Dongqing has won 56 industry awards and passed a number of international certifications, becoming a trusted equipment supplier for the global catering industry. In every link of production, our engineers and technical team strictly control the quality to ensure that every technical indicator of the equipment meets customer needs. Today, we would like to introduce you to Dongqing's star product, the B10 blender. It is specially designed for the catering industry and adopts high-end technology to help you realize perfect mixing easily. The B10 mixer is equipped with a gear drive system that ensures every mix is stable and reliable, delivering consistently efficient performance in your kitchen. With Planetary mixing technology, the B10 ensures even mixing without missing any details, blending each ingredient perfectly to enhance the result and quality of baking or cooking. The B10 mixer is equipped with 3 multifunctional mixers to meet different baking and cooking needs, whether it's kneading, whipping cream, or mixing egg whites, all of which can be handled with ease, helping you easily complete a variety of complex operations. We rigorously test each machine at every stage of production to ensure that every B10 mixer provides you with stable performance and helps your production process run smoother. Dongqing Machinery also provides round-the-clock technical support and customer service, so you can get our help whenever you need it to ensure that your equipment operates efficiently and helps your business succeed. Dongqing Machinery, with advanced technology, high-quality products, and excellent service, is committed to providing the best food equipment solutions to customers around the world. Choose Dongqing for an efficient and reliable future. For more information, please contact us. We look forward to working with you to create a better future.